Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by removing competition for resources and confirming the game's integrity. Close overlays and heavy apps. This frees CPU and GPU cycles instantly. Next, update your graphics drivers to the manufacturer's latest stable release because outdated drivers often cause crashes. Once done, open Battle. Net and verify game files to repair corruption. This prevents crashes caused by bad assets. These actions fix most common problems fast, so make sure to complete each step before moving to deeper system tweaks. Now you'll change system and in-game settings to stabilize performance. Set Windows power to high performance so the CPU won't throttle under load, because stable clock speeds reduce crashes. Lower render scale, shadows, and effects in Overwatch 2 to cut GPU strain. This reduces memory spikes that trigger failures. Also disable full-screen optimizations and run the game as administrator to avoid permission conflicts. Once these are set, test a short match to confirm improved stability before moving to driver or OS-level repairs. For stubborn crashes, inspect deeper hardware and software causes. Test RAM with Memtest86 because faulty memory produces random crashes. Replace bad sticks. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables, and install pending Windows updates to ensure compatibility layers aren't broken. If problems persist, enable crash dump generation and capture logs, then upload them when contacting support, because detailed dumps reveal the failing module. One key troubleshooting tip: roll back recent GPU driver updates if crashes began immediately after an update. That often isolates regressions quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.